Hi, others. How do you take new beginnings? I know some people are very reluctant towards new things. They like their days to be the same and they don't want to have too much things going on. Well, I'm definitely not like that. I am feeling bored very easily and I'm always on the look for new things, new experiences, new hobbies, anything will do. I like new things because it gives me a thrill, not a thrill like jumping off a mountain or deep diving or whatever. No, I feel alive when I experience new things. I'm not even one of those people that get successful at everything I try. So it's not that I have these golden hands. I just like to learn and experience them. And even as they fail, I just don't take care too much. I don't feel like that bothers me a lot at all. Some people feel bad after a failure. They dig into that feeling and are afraid other people will judge them by it. No, not here. It really can't care me less what other people think. And even when others ask me about a project that failed, I can admit it to them. Oh no, that didn't work out at all, but I tried something new. Failure isn't something bad to me. It's all part of the learning process. What I do feel is more difficult is to push through when things aren't going well. I feel like I can give up a little easy. Most of the times that has to do with my big expectations and that things aren't going that the way I wanted. But as soon as I can see that part as part of the learning process, I even can push through with that. As a young girl, I wanted to learn to crochet and to knit, and I just couldn't get it done. I wanted beautiful sweaters, and all I made were shawls with holes in it. But I got money from my parents to buy clothes every month, and it wasn't that much at all, so I liked fashion so much, so I had to learn how to knit in order to make cheap and fashionable stuff for myself. And I pushed through. Even my mom thought I would never learn it, but I did. Today's page was done with all these thoughts in mind, and also for you as a reminder that you can start new things even if they aren't ending successful. My page didn't work out the way I wanted, but it was fun to do. I think the background was a little too loud, but yes, I am loud too, so it all comes together. And I should have toned it down a little bit, but that's my lesson of today, so I'm happy with that anyway. I hope by seeing what I created today, you realize that this channel isn't so much about what I create, even though that is what I'm showing you right now, but it's more about the fact how creating art is a way to process your feelings and emotions. Because sometimes we cannot find the right words in order to talk about what is going on in our lives. I try to show you my art only to be an inspiration for you to start to create too. I hope you will try it, and I hope you won't be too harsh on yourself either. Just allow yourself to learn. Art is something you can enjoy every day. Even when it's not your day, it will give you the healing power hidden within. Because sometimes we don't have words for what we feel, and creating allows us to process those deep emotions. Maybe your day wasn't that smooth and all you want is to get lazy on the couch, but what if you would try to create something? Anything will do. Try to get into that deep zone of creating, where there is no sense of time anymore, and you will feel uplifted afterwards, even when your end product won't be what you were aiming for. Allow yourself to learn, allow yourself to fail, allow yourself to make a mess and mud, just for the sake of creating. And you know what? You can always throw it away if you want. That's why I like these art/junk journals so much, because they allow you to make a mess. It was already junk, so why bother if it didn't become a Picasso? I wish you a wonderful day, and I hope you will enjoy the little things in life. Today I looked outside and in a bowl with water we put outside in between the beautiful bushes with red and yellow leaves, there was this tiny little robin washing itself. I just watched it in awe. I love to be amazed by these little things in life. I hope you will create something today, and please don't forget to be very nice to yourself. Well, that's all. A big hug from me, and bye bye for now.